I've totally made back my money, and I can't even tell you how many times over I've made back my money. It's more than 20 for sure.
So I signed up for GeekPack in May of last year, and I'm pretty sure I earned back my enrollment by like June. And at this point, I've earned it back like 10 times. The biggest job that I have landed, and again, I've been doing this for less than a year, was a $10,000 contract.
I definitely 2x'd my investment within about a month and a half.
It took me probably less than a month to a month max to land my first client. I ended up charging him $1,000 just for a website build. It was probably gonna be my second website that I built. And then I put him on a monthly retainer.
I signed my first client 2 weeks after starting the course. They paid their deposit, and then by the end of that first project, it was threefold. I had earned back threefold what I had spent on the course. I'm just as shocked. Like, I feel like I'm telling somebody else's story, to be honest. Like, this actually happened to me? Oh yeah, that's right.